All right, guys, it's the Tech Playoffs, and I'm back with another video. I already did an unboxing of the Z Fold 6 in the silver color, but I did return that one, and I'm gonna do a bigger unboxing of the one that I actually wanted, was the navy blue or blue Z Fold 6. I got the case, the watch, the earbuds, and the case for the earbuds. So a little bit bigger unboxing, but I'm not going to go through the whole setup of the phone. I'm sure you guys seen that a couple times. I just want to show you the products real quick. Everyone knows how the software of the Z Fold 6 works. And I did do a little tour of that one on my other video. So, oof, right away, I already know I made a good decision. Look at that blue. Ooh, wait. Man, look at that blue. Best color on any phone right now. Other than the champagne gold of the iPhones and the Pixels in the past. Those were really good colors. But this one is just a really, really nice blue. Really nice and deep. Even the camera housing around the camera housing is the same color blue. Actually, it kind of pops out a little bit more than the rest of the phone. It might be a little bit lighter. The sides here, as you can see, same color. Oof. Super, super, super clean, man. This color is where it's at. Like I said, I'm not gonna go through the whole software and none of that stuff. You guys already seen that, I'm sure, multiple times. And if you haven't, you can watch my other video or someone else's video that's giving you a Z Fold 6 tour. This one is the case with the pen. See if it'll let me open this real quick. Actually, probably gonna end up breaking it like I did the other one. That works. So, got some booklets here, stuff like that I don't care about. So this is the color of the case. As you can see, it matches pretty close to the color of the phone. You have a nice little orange accent there for the pen, but as you can see here, pretty nice blue. So I'll put that on later. These are the earbuds, not the Pros, just the Buds 3. I don't like earbuds that have the silicone tip at the end. My ears are just too small for that, so over time they do bother me. So with my iPhones, I still use the normal AirPods that don't have the silicone tip. And for my Android, I actually, at the moment, I'm using the Nothing earbuds that don't have the silicone tip. So this is the first time I'm unboxing this. This comes with a charging cord in the inside, some booklets that I don't care about. I'm hoping this does have wireless charging like the other one though. We'll see. If this doesn't have wireless charging, that might kind of be a deal breaker for me, and I might return it for the Pros. But as you can see here, really nice gunmetal color. You got the pairing button and the USB Type-C on the bottom. You have a transparent lid here, and when you open it up, you get that green light indicator. You got some color accents here to let you know which bud goes in which slot. And man, just kind of real nice. Look at that. Really, really nice, man. I hope these are gonna sound good, because I know they're gonna fit good. So that's that. This is the case that goes with the earbud. I got this because I don't like putting them in my pocket. When you sit down, it kind of feels uncomfortable having an ear case that big in your pocket. So I got this. Comes with a carabiner, that way I can hang it from one of my loops off my pants or my keychain. As you can see here, same design. This one has a matte black feel on the bottom, matte black color. This has a lock that you can press, open the lid, and then it has your carabiner. So pretty nice design. That goes in there like that. So I'm gonna throw that to the side. This is what I'm excited about, the watch. I have not seen this in person yet. This is the gray. I think the other one's either a white, a silver, and this one's like a gray. What do they call this one? I think it's like a gray. This one doesn't have the orange accents. I think that orange accent and the orange band is nice, but it's a little just too loud for me. I'm a more of a elegance, minimal person. I don't know why I say elegance, but just more of a low-key, minimal person. So as you can see here, it comes in separate boxes. Throw that to the side. You got the strap right here. And then you have, I'm assuming, the watch on this one. Man, this has a lot of pull tabs. It's gonna slide down. As you can see there, that is a watch. Pretty nice, to be honest. Pretty nice. I was expecting it to be a little bigger. It is pretty nice size. You got the button here, little crown, 2 buttons that are above it and below it. You got the sensors in the back. Why they got this thing on here? And then you have your release for the straps. As you can see, the strap mechanism is different this time. This one kind of just pushes in and claps in, but real nice. Man, look at that. That is beautiful. If you guys want to see this, I'll open this real quick. This is just a strap. Nothing too fancy. This is kind of like the ocean strap that Apple has, but different color. This one does have the Samsung branding on the buckle. Just a silicone strap, nothing fancy. I'll probably end up replacing this because I don't do well with silicone. It does irritate me when I sweat. But yeah, I'm gonna set all this up. Let me know if you guys want to see a software tour after this. This is just an unboxing, a pretty big unboxing. That pretty much everything you get if you do the whole pre-order. But let me know if you guys want a software tour. I'm gonna set up the phone, the watch, the case, the earbuds, and then I'm gonna test it, see how that goes. But if you guys are interested in a software tour after I set everything up, leave a comment down below and maybe I'll do a video about it. Other than that, like I said, quick unboxing of, actually, let's see the charger real quick. I don't know how this charger looks. I know it's no longer a Qi compatible. I don't know if it was Qi before, but it was able to charge on the back of the phone, and they got rid of that. They said a no. So you got booklets on this side. So the charger is pretty much the same as the other one. But the other watches, like the 6 Classic and the 6, they did charge on the back of the device when you did the reverse charging. This one does not, because of the size of it and the way they had to make it. They were not able to include that capability on this watch. At least that's what I understand. But that's pretty much it, guys. Again, if you guys want an additional video of the whole software after I set everything up, leave a comment down below. But for now, that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching the video. Thank you for the support. Have a blessed day. Peace.